He walks the sun and sea island. The atmosphere is bright and happy. Skin with tan supple in butter. Jamaican man a honourable sight. He knows his purpose and power. His moves firm and pleasant, he know where he's from. And what he is up against, through the decades of wisdom. His ancestors have prevailed. They moved from times of entrapment. And fought continuous to gain, his eyes speak an Old Testament. Through the times of his quest. His brilliance are worth a mention. For he is more than a just the rest. He is a brother, uncle and father, with an electrifying passion. He never tries to feel sorry for himself, he stand tall with a plan, he yield not to stereotypes. He do not give up easily. He does not brag nor boast. Though he has many reasons to. So in unity and great admiration, we celebrate this unyielding being. For he brings success and enrichment. With his might, power and good seed,